Okay, I'm not going to use a headlamp. Hopefully it's not going to be too dark. A bent tool like this can make things easier. Helps if the steering wheel is down. This is reach in behind, feel for the spring, lever up. Battery is not disconnected. Yes, it probably would be better to do it with it disconnected. Come on. Always place airbag facing up. It's I think that's M12. It helps if you center the steering wheel, but there should be markings already. If there's no markings here, you mark it yourself. And we gotta take this guy off. T10. Good morning. Yeah. I'm being disturbed. One guy's telling the other guy to be quiet. I'm making a video. So they're slowly coming around to me making videos. Okay, I forgot to mention that's a T25. And these guys are Phillips, tiny Phillips. If I can find them. Tiny Phillips. It just slides off. That's open. Put the screws someplace. Oh yeah, sorry. There's one more here. Another T25 down here. So basically what happened here was somebody had broken in and damaged the ignition cylinder. So we put in a used one, but the used one was not coded to his ignition key, so we have his ignition key on the original antenna, and using a generic key that came with this used lock, he was able to start the car and drive it until we ordered a replacement ignition cylinder. So you can see that's his old one, or his original. We have to untape this. Oh yeah, you don't need to see that. So that's his original valet key. Now we need to take this guy out. So to take that cylinder out, there's a little tiny hole here. So you go to the first position and you take the stiff piece of wire and you stick it in there. Oh, I can't see. And what it does is there's a retaining lock here. If I pull this out, you can see the retaining lock, it pops out.
This one?
Yeah, can you update the work order?
Well, I'll make a new one. Yeah, because this one's full.
And, yeah, I can
Just take out the parts and throw in all the parts.
That's why I want to confirm all these.
Okay. Well, let's look at it right now.
Okay, so that was it. Pop in the new one. Plug in the reader antenna, or the wiring for the reader antenna. Otherwise the key won't be read and the engine won't start. Should have probably plugged it in before installing it. Give it a little tug to make sure it's secure. Okay, key in. Immobilizer light flashing. It shouldn't. Why? Because that one key isn't coded. This is his original. Oh, wait a minute. This is one of his key that works. And you see immobilizer not flashing. So we'll have to code one of the other keys. This one here. That one's good. And this other one is the one from the used lock. Okay. Okay, now we put this back together. And then we do the driver door.